Alright, good morning everyone. It is time for an update on the ET8. I have been in contact with Banggood, where I purchased the engine. I also contacted EA who manufactures or brands these, and Sterling Kit, who also sells these, trying to get parts. Banggood finally said they got a hold of the manufacturer, and they watched my video and said that the engine was overspeeded and used improperly. But they will be replacing it anyway, so I'm supposed to be getting a replacement engine, but I will give everybody a quick warning about this. I did double check the instructions here. They don't say anything about overspeed dangers, so the it's just got, under precautions, a couple notes about adjusting the needle valve on the carburetor. So the ET8 is the throttle governed version of the ET series engines, and when I was trying to start it, I was using a standard throttle governed starting procedure where you have the throttle body open while you're starting and then prepare to close it. However, the ET8 does not have a mechanical governor of any kind to adjust this automatically or restrict airflow on the bend here. So if you get one of these, when you start it, set the throttle body here either as small as you can or at a small setting like that when you're trying to start it, because if you have it all the way open, the engine will overspeed and may lock up the way that mine did. At least that is according to the interactions I've had with the manufacturer, as best I can tell. I haven't spoken to them directly. So that is where the ET8 is at. As soon as I get a new one, because it is being replaced, I have to say that the customer service that I talked to at ET8 was really good, or at Banggood rather. I don't know if the ET8 is this engine, but as you can see, there's no governing mechanism. It's just got the body on the side here that provides the push rod action, and I haven't opened it to see what the camshaft looks like, but I will definitely be showing off when I get the new one of these, and I will definitely be more careful when I start it, but I figured I would give a warning to anybody else who acquires one. Make sure that you are very careful about the throttle body setting when you start and run it, because they don't have any governing and can be over speeded to cause damage.